Now for the defending championship of the box of tampons. To the loser.
Fuck.
Now, what would one like the best?
We all know he likes his colors.
It's the most difficult shot. Sorry, I was protecting through this. And it goes down. So, you want to set up a defence wall.
So you...
You say that before you do it because you might miss. Yeah, defence wall. Right, do it again.
Just as planned, the defense wall.
And he's falling for it.
That's a good defense wall.
I say, my dear, would you bring the bird in? What do you did there?
I missed, that's what I did there. 2 shots to you.
Bring the bird in, huh? And say a few words. There's a good one. Beautiful. So what we've done is got the moron out of the way and put some of our balls now in defence shots.
He tried, Mom, he puts up this defense wall here.
Works, doesn't it?
Sunk my ball, pushed this defense wall right out the way. Yeah.
That's exactly.
No, it is, it is.
It's a matter of your skill. That was a very good shot.
That's such a prick thing to say. You can never just get, you know, you can't pay a compliment for the compliments too. He's cheating now. He's got his mate there opening up the hole for him. This is a load of shit.
Look at that, 2 different shots.
A load of shit. Oh!
So good at that. Did you take a long time to learn that trick?
You keep talking smack, but if I win.
We'll see. I'll just have a bit of a play here. There you go.
Beautiful play.
Do that so well.
Never mind what I do. You just stay focused on what you do. See, no, that's I don't like this. I don't like this at all. It's got to go.
I missed.
I didn't hear anything hit. I was like, okay.
Oh, now that's a defense shot. Oh, yeah. Get him out of the way. Get him out of the way, I said. All right. We'll get you out of the way. the big walls then?
Don't miss the big. What?
The big walls of your sauna.
They were comfy. Padded. Ah!
Very well done.
Ah!
I tell you what, you are a natural. Okay, now I've got my key ball here.
Yeah.
Hole covered. Oh dear.
That's the bloody table. You
What-
saw.
what
That
is
is the.
What
That
did
is,
this go
that
on,
is
right?
the bloody table.
Oh dear me.
Now what's he gonna do?
See them all.
You better not. You better not. Get out of it, would you? Get the fuck out of it. No, enough of that.
Oh.
Enough of that. Enough of that.
Oh
Yeah, let's see what he's got.
Okay.
Let's see, have you got it?
no! I've got it.
I don't think you got it. That's bullshit! You didn't call the hole. You didn't call the pocket. You did not.
Are you
call the
joking?
pocket.
You said to me, have you got it? You know I'm going for it.
Nah, I thought you were
Alright,
going
you
to
win.
I thought you were going to the
You win, I want to argue.
No, one more game.
Oh.
One more game. That's it.